Everyone tells you vector databases are the heart of RAG, but what if modern AI is moving beyond them entirely? Are vector DBs actually mandatory? Today we'll see exactly why this traditional paradigm is starting to shift.
Traditional RAG chops documents into random chunks to find matches. But honestly, this breaks down on complex PDFs.
The core problem is right here. Searching for a Q3 revenue gives you similar text, not the exact table cell.
This similarity-first approach leads to missing context, frustrating hallucinations, and massive infrastructure costs for you as developers.
Enter Vectorless RAG. Frameworks like Agentic are completely dropping vectors for a structured, reasoning-based AI approach.
Instead of artificial chunking, it builds a hierarchical tree index, using LLMs to logically reason through the document.
Look at this architecture. It works just like a human expert using a table of contents to find answers.
Inspired by AlphaGo, it actually thinks strategically and plans ahead, instead of just doing blind semantic pattern matching.
Zero arbitrary chunks. This means you get highly accurate, context-aware retrieval for your most complex enterprise documents.
See the difference? Hierarchical retrieval filters layer by layer, practically preventing irrelevant text chunks from confusing your LLM agent.
And the results? Absolutely stunning. Vectorless RAG hit a massive 98.7% accuracy on the difficult finance bench dataset.
Traditional RAG only hits about 50% on financial queries. That is a massive performance gap, right?
Tree reasoning completely dominates traditional RAG for complex, multi-step questions that require deep analytical logic. It wins because reasoning follows cross-references across pages, connecting the dots exactly like a real financial analyst would.
But here's the catch. Tree search needs multiple sequential LLM calls, making it noticeably slower and costlier per query.
The engineering rule of thumb? Use vectors for speed and scale, but switch to trees when exact accuracy matters.
Because of these exact trade-offs, the real future of enterprise AI system design is hybrid RAG. Hybrid architectures beautifully combine BM25 exact matches, semantic vectors, and tree-based reasoning together for the best results. You dynamically route the user's query to the right retrieval system, based entirely on how complex the question is.
The crucial takeaway for us AI engineers? Retrieve what is logically relevant, not just semantically similar.
Vectors aren't dead, but relying only on them is. Hybrid systems and structured reasoning are the new standard.
If you enjoyed this AI engineering explainer, make sure to subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for more practical GenAI content.
So let me know in the comments, which architecture are you using to build your next AI system?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for practical AI.